One of the biggest problems we have with Polaris cleaners or anybody's pressure side cleaners is the tires. Y'all aren't replacing tires when they need to be replaced. And when these tires wear down, the cleaner runs closer to the surface of the plaster or the vinyl or whatever, and we end up wearing the bottom out much, much faster. And on the 280, we have a shaft that runs from here to here. It drives this wheel and this wheel. So if I turn either one of those, that wheel turns. But the tire rubs up against the center wheel rubs up against the back wheel. Therefore, when I turn this one has a drive that runs through that turns this one, but this one rubs against this one and turns it, which rubs against this one and turns it. Now, if your tires start wearing out, you having less surface touching on that, and you start getting slippage, and you're not getting the normal drive that you would have by all three wheels turning versus just these two wheels turning. And tires wearing out, you start wearing out the bottom of the cleaner a lot faster, and once you start busting up into there, now you got bigger problems.